Hey guys, and thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, we'd really appreciate it if you would. Today we're looking at our 2011 4Runner that we purchased last year, and unfortunately has really bad water spots on all the glass and a few of the body panels. When we first purchased it, I thought it was just residue from being washed or maybe a rainstorm, but unfortunately I quickly realized it was pretty permanent. I looked on the internet for suggestions. Some people said alcohol, some people even said acetone in case it's tree sap. None of that made any difference at all. No matter how much elbow grease, no matter how hard you rub, it just doesn't go away. So I kept looking into it and had a recommendation for this product. It's Chemical Guys HD water spot remover, heavy duty water spot remover. This is not a sponsored video. I'm in no way affiliated and they're not paying me at all for this video. I was just really impressed with the product, and people rave about their products, so I thought if anything was going to work, maybe this would. I did one piece of glass in the other side mirror, since usually those are like plastic but look like a mirror, and it worked great on both. I'll do a time lapse of doing the rest of the vehicle, and then I'll show you a panel, kind of a side-by-side comparison of what it looked like, you know, before and after treatment. Let's take a look. So here's the clean part, here's the line, and then here's the water spots. See, it makes a tremendous difference. You can see the lines right here, and then it's clear. Stuff's amazing, I can't believe it. We did prep by washing the vehicle as stated in the instructions. After applying the product, we rinsed it really well, but you may want to wash the vehicle again just to be sure to get any that's left over. There were a few panels I had to do multiple times, maybe spots I missed, or just it was worse on some glass than others, but I'm really impressed with the results. If you have the same issue with your vehicle, I really hope it helps you too. We'll put a link in the description to buy the product, and if you can use that link, it really helps support our channel. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below. Please like, share, and subscribe. And if there's anything you want to add I didn't include, let's get that in the comments as well. I'm always glad to learn something new. Thanks.